Hey everyone, welcome back to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube where we talk about all things luxury, be it luxury fashion, luxury travel, or life's luxuries in general. Today I am doing a double Strathberry unboxing filled with two great new fall pieces that I'm super excited about adding to my collection. And the reason that I actually picked up these fall pieces is because I did a virtual appointment with Vasco Cruz, who I've worked with before, and he is amazing and he is very, very good at understanding my style and what is going to work well for me. Now, Strathberry, I believe, only has stores within the UK that are physical stores, but they have just launched a new service, which is a virtual appointment service. And so what that allows you to do is it allows you to see items in the showroom. It helps them pull items for you. And I was so just shocked by how incredible that the colors look in person and over, well, not in person, but over video, and just compared to like the photos. In the photos, they look beautiful, but the photography doesn't do the leather and the colors justice. And I picked out the bag that I did that I honestly probably wouldn't have bought before, because the color of the bag on the video that I ended up picking up was just so incredible and so vibrant and so shiny compared to the way that just still photos picked it up, that I was just blown away by how beautiful it was. And I'm very excited to show that to you. I'm also very excited to show you a piece that I never would have even considered looking at had I not just been being shown around the showroom and saw the piece of mine. I was like, hold up, what's that? That looks interesting. And he just popped it on for me and was able to show it to me. And I was just like, yep, I definitely want that as well. So this was a great way for me to get to feel like I was in store, to get to see the products in person, because seeing products in person and seeing them online just have different feelings to them. And so getting to have that experience was really, really amazing. The other neat thing that I want to get to share with you guys is that if you are booking an appointment for your first purchase with the virtual appointment, you are actually able to get 10% off. And I love Strathberry products. I think that they are amazing. And so anytime that I can get a discount on a brand that I love and on products that I love, I'm really excited about that, particularly because the pieces that I picked up are not pieces that you'll see in the sale. One is a ready-to-wear piece and one is a bag that is considered part of their classic range, so it never goes in the seasonal color sale. So with that, let's get into the unboxings, and then I will let you guys know my first impressions as I filmed the unboxing when I got the items because I was just too excited not to. And I think I'm going to start with the ready-to-wear piece first. Both of these pieces are going to be amazing for this fall and work very well with my neutral color palette. So I do appreciate the fact that if you order from Strathberry, they do send you a ribbon, and so the boxes are all packaged all nice and pretty. My goodness, there's a lot of tissue paper here. And the first item I got is I actually got their hooded poncho. I will insert some footage of me actually wearing this hooded poncho, but this is their block color hooded poncho. So it's got the black body, some tan trim, and I think this is really pretty. They also do it in a gray and tan color, but the black really, really caught my eye. And this is really, really soft. Like, cashmere can be itchy, but this is really, really soft. And let me slip this on really quick so I can tell you guys what I think of the fit. I probably should slip this on off camera. Oh wow, this is warm. So I've had this on just a few seconds and this is definitely warm. Let me pull up the hood. So this is how the hood fits. I don't think that I'd normally wear the hood, but that's how it fits. But this is so warm and cozy. I'm gonna wear this a lot at work. So I work a lot of times either in pajamas or in sweats because I work from home. Yeah, this is gonna be a staple of my closet this year, and I'm definitely really considering ordering the other color or ordering the regular poncho. They have one in like this navy with orange, and I really, really like that. I was really tempted by that one as well, but went with this one because I felt like it was more unisex for me and my husband. But yeah, I think there's definitely going to be some more Strathberry cashmere coming in because this is so soft. They also do like some really great wraps, so it might be that I maybe go with like a wrap instead. Either way, highly recommend this for anyone. I'm super petite and it doesn't swallow me, but like I said, like Vasco's quite a lot taller than me and it doesn't look too small on him either. So I definitely think that this is a piece that you can have a lot of room to change between different sizes and body types. But because it's Strathberry and I love their bags, we've got a bag. And let me untie this ribbon. I'm very excited about this. This is totally me, and it does come in the dust bag. So here's the dust bag. Make your guesses as to color, style, material that this bag is in. And here is the reveal in 3, 2, 1. So this is the burgundy mock croc in the East West. I have the East West in the navy and tan, and I love that bag so much. I also really love the color burgundy because I wear a lot of blacks, I wear a lot of tans, I wear a lot of blues, and burgundy goes with all of them. Burgundy for me is a true neutral, and I really, really love burgundy. And it's not as bright as a red, so if I'm looking for color but I want it to be more subtle, burgundy works really, really well for me. I also have talked about on how much I love Strathberry's mock croc, and this color, and like, it is so incredibly shiny and vibrant in real life. I don't even know if the camera is truly picking up on how gorgeous that this color is, but it is phenomenal. And the East West, probably of my Strathberry bags, the East West is my favorite. I love that bag so much. So when he sent me this bag in this color, I was just like, I'm in love with that. But it has the wonderful gold adjustable chains. I have done a video on what fits, although if you want an updated what fits showing just this bag, I can totally do that because I love these bags. I can also show you the difference in the bags between the smooth and the mock croc leather, because this is a lot stiffer of a flap coming out than the smooth leather is, because the mock croc is definitely a stiffer finish, and the inside is just in the tan suede microfiber interior with the Strathberry label inside. And I'm so excited to have it in this burgundy mock croc. This is actually the first bag in my collection that I have duplicated. I had been thinking about getting a Lady Dior in burgundy with gold, but honestly, having this color combo, I don't feel that need anymore, and this was way less expensive than a Lady Dior. But just, oh, it's so pretty. I'm looking at it in the viewfinder now, and it is just so beautiful and pretty. And so yeah, really excited to add these two pieces to my Strathberry collection. So since it is still summer where I live and it is a minimum of 90 degrees every day, more so if you take into account the humidity with the heat index, the bag is what I have been using because there's no way that I'm wearing a cashmere sweater right now. I put it on and it is so warm and cozy, but I don't really need a warm and cozy sweater when it's 90 degrees. However, this bag I have been wearing casually, I've been wearing dressed up, I've been wearing business-wise, and it just goes with every single thing in my closet and every single thing that I put it with. To me, I think that this maroon is an unbelievable neutral, and it is absolutely, I think, hands down, my favorite Strathberry bag. It is probably now my second favorite bag in my entire collection, second only to my very special Lady Dior. But one of the things that I noted when I unboxed this is that the flap was really stiff compared to my other East West that I own that I love. And one of the things that I've noticed is that since I've started using it, while it's definitely not broken down in any way, shape, form, or fashion, it has loosened up enough that it is very easy for me to get the flap back inside the bar, to open it up, to use the bag. And I adore this bag. I love this bag. I have worn this bag every single day. I've looked for reasons to leave my house so that I can wear this bag. And so thank you to Vasco, who pointed it out to me and showed it to me so that I would get to see it. I mean, just the colors that come out in this bag, the way the shine is, the way the pattern is. I wore this to Louis Vuitton and they at first thought that it was real crocodile, and like, it's just a stunning, stunning bag. I could not be happier with it, and I do have a couple of bags in my collection that I was kind of using to fill spaces this bag actually really fits into, and so I am going to be doing a vlog sale soon. I will probably be putting those bags into the vlog sale as well. That should be coming up in the next couple of weeks on my 2-year YouTube anniversary, so make sure to be subscribed for that. Make sure, if you have not worked with anyone from Strathberry before, schedule that virtual appointment or contact Vasco and schedule one with him, because these are amazing, amazing things. Plus, when you schedule your first appointment, you are getting that 10% off. And bags like this one don't go on sale at all, so being able to get 10% off of it is a great deal, because that is the best deal that you're going to find on a bag like this. And with that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye!